Hello, welcome to Healthy Living channel in Straka. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make spinach banana with milk smoothie. That's what we're going to be making in this video. I know many people don't like spinach, but this is something that I just like it or not. And so we are just going to make just a little portion that you taste. And if you like it, you can make more. And if you do not, then you don't have to. Then you did not waste too much of the ingredient that we are going to use. So please stay tight as I put everything together. And we'll see how it tastes like. I'll see you right here. Alright, so today's we are going to make spinach banana with milk smoothie. I'm going to mix everything together so we see exactly how this comes out. I have 1 cup of spinach, which is this, and then I'm going to use 1 banana, and also I have 1 cup of milk. That's what we are going to use. Okay, so I am going to put the spinach, which I've already washed nicely, put it in the blender. Going to fill this banana. You want to use a very ripe banana because we are not adding any sweetness to it. We are not adding any honey or anything like that to it. All we are going to do is just the milk and the banana and the spinach. That's all we are going to use. So you need to have a very ripe banana, so that will give it a lot of sweetness to it. So I'm trying to take all the strings off my banana before. Alright, and then I'm just gonna put this in there. Once that is in there, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add the 1 cup of milk. And this if you don't like spinach, that's fine. All this is just something you can try, and we can see everything in here. This is a green smoothie, which is good for you, and not many people like spinach, but with mixing it with milk and the banana, we're going to taste it and see exactly how it comes out. So probably you will like it, probably you won't like it. So let's see how it all comes out, and we can decide whether we can make this in abundance or not. Alright, so I'm covering this and I'm just going to blend. Well, just look at that. It's not too bad. And I'm just going to pour this in a glass. And look at that. This is very light. Probably we use too much milk, but you want to be lighter than probably thick, that you can, you will not like it if this is the first time you are making it. So we have almost like more than a glass. You can see it looks good, and I like this. All right, and I am going to give it a taste, and I'm going to tell you exactly how this looks like. So I will see you right away. We just finished smoothing the spinach banana with milk. So we have 1 glass of milk, 1 cup of spinach, and then 1 ripe banana. That's what we made. You can see how it looks like. It looks very green smoothie. This is like a green smoothie. It is a green smoothie. And so I am going to give it a taste and see how it comes out. I was thinking that the spinach is going to be, you taste the spinach. You don't taste the spinach at all. You don't. You only taste the milk and the banana. So I would say give this a try. I'm amazed about the taste, how it comes out. It's very light. You don't feel anything like aftertaste of spinach or anything. It's just blending, and it just makes it greener, like the green smoothie. But to say you taste the spinach, you don't taste it. So I will recommend this. This is very healthy because you get the iron from the spinach, and then the vitamin D from the milk and the bananas, all the properties, the good healthy properties that contains in all these 3 ingredients. You don't need to add sugar, you don't need to add honey. You need this to be in the natural form for you to drink, so you can get the benefit that your body needs. So I would say try it. If you don't like spinach, just give it a try. Just give it a try and see how it comes out. I add too much milk probably. You could have added maybe 3/4 cup of these ingredients and that will make it a little bit thicker. But apart from that, this is really good. Give it a try, and this is what I'll be having right now. I don't recommend you making this to keep it in the fridge. Have these smoothies and you want to drink the smoothie fresh. You don't want to keep it overnight or next day. No, you lose the freshness to it. So when you make this, drink it fresh. You can use an ice to blend it. I did not add ice, but if you add ice, that would be nice as well. That is optional for you. But apart from that, this comes out nicely smooth, and try to blend it a little bit more so the spinach will blend more and make it a little bit smoother. I did not taste anything like spinach, hash, anything like that in there. Everything is smooth out. And so give it a try. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And as always, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you on my next video. Give it a try. Leave it in the comment section how you like this. Let me know what you think about it, and stay healthy. Bye bye.